TikTok was actually my best friend. If you really want to take this to the next level, TikTok may be the place where you want to start promoting your YouTube channel. So in total, my very first YouTube check was Yo, what's going on, family? Welcome back to Godriven TV with your boy LaShawn Taylor. I normally don't do videos outside, but yo, it's a nice full day out here. Yo, if you're new here, you just happen to stumble across this video because of the title, I appreciate you for stopping by. You might want to stay a while. I make videos teaching people how to do dope things with their Cricut, but I'm excited for this video today. We're gonna be talking about how much I got paid my very first YouTube check after being monetized. We're gonna jump right into the good stuff. So getting monetized on YouTube actually did a new thing this past year. They actually made it slightly easier to start making money from their platform. For a long time, video ads were the only way that you can get paid from YouTube, but they added a new way you can get paid, and that's basically from fan funding. And all that really involves super chats, super thanks, channel memberships, and more. And like I said, I think that's actually pretty dope. They actually are looking out for influencers and just trying to help people find different ways to make more money outside of 9-to-5s. And then of course, if you want to get paid from your regular video ads, you need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 public watch hours within a 12-month period, or 10 million public YouTube short views within a 90-day span. You already know how that YouTube journey, it can be a little tough at times. You know, life happens for a lot of people. A lot of times you're not able to prioritize YouTube like you may want to, but it can be done. And I'm definitely a testament, because I never thought that something like this could take place in my life. And now during this whole process, TikTok was actually my best friend. And I'm telling you, yo, if you really want to take this to the next level, TikTok may be the place where you want to start promoting your YouTube channel. That is exactly how I hit my requirements. I was constantly promoting my YouTube channel. I was constantly promoting, teaching people how to use their Cricuts on my TikTok platform. Here's how my story went. So technically, I started my YouTube journey January 20th, 2019. Now, at this point, I didn't know I was going to start making Cricut content. I just know I wanted to start posting on YouTube and try to achieve becoming a YouTuber. So I posted a couple videos that had nothing to do with Cricut content. Then 2 years later, it was April 12th, 2021, I made my first Cricut video. For my first Cricut video, it actually blew up and is currently sitting at 40K views today. And that's when the journey started. Technically, my YouTube journey started in 2021, but I was very inconsistent. So a lot of stuff didn't start happening for me until years later. I want to say the day was January 21st of 2022. I had about 929 subscribers, if I'm remembering correct. Within that same day, I posted a video on TikTok. I'm probably gonna post it somewhere over here. I posted a video on TikTok. The joint went viral. Same day, I had 929 subscribers. I bumped up all the way to 1.03K subscribers. So I hit that 1,000 mark that I needed for YouTube. Now, I ain't gonna lie, yo, I was super hyped that day. Like I said before, I never thought that something like this would happen for me. But although, you know, I hit that 1,000 subscriber requirement, I still needed about 2,000 watch hours to go. Now, I ain't gonna hold y'all. And watch hours is something serious. That's actually the harder part. Getting people to subscribe to your YouTube channel, as long as you make content that they want to see, that's the easier part. Don't watch hours, making sure that they stay the whole video, making sure you make content that they actually want to watch. That's the hard part. So I needed about 2,000 watch hours, and let's just say my story is not like many other stories you may see about this topic. To keep it 100 with y'all, I actually messed myself up. I did not keep that momentum going. So I was making all these viral videos telling people to subscribe to my YouTube. I'm getting the subscribers. People are going on my YouTube and watching the videos that I currently have up there. And at that time, I believe I only had 11 videos, 11 regular videos up there. And I did not allow that momentum to keep pushing me to make more videos. Alright, so come February 3rd, I dropped my next video after, you know, I gained all them subscribers. Then I dropped another video, the 11th of February. Now, I didn't drop another video until, I want to say, July 1st. Bro, listen. I know how important consistency is. Yo, hear me. Consistency is important. But I didn't understand it at that point. At that time, I'm just thinking, okay, this is gonna be a smooth breeze. It was not a smooth breeze. But I did post a lot of videos in July. Like, I posted a video July 1st. My next video was July 6th. After that, July 9th, then July 13th, then the 15th, then the 20th, then the 25th, and then the 30th. So I dropped 8 videos that month, which wasn't too bad. Wasn't too bad at all, actually. And then I believe my next video after that was the 2nd of August. And then after that, I took another hiatus and didn't post again until November 8th, I believe. And then after that, November 14th. And then post again until a month later on December 14th and then December 20th. So throughout this whole time, I'm still not monetized. I'm just posting videos trying to get my watch hours up, and because of my inconsistencies, I still was not monetized. Now, I thought I was doing something when July came. I had dropped 8 videos. But imagine if I would have dropped 8 videos from February to December. That would be about 88 videos, and then in total 99 videos the whole year. Now, if I would have been that consistent, I probably would have been monetized way before. Maybe even a month or two after I gained the subscriber requirement. So hear me, look me dead in my eyes. When you start this YouTube journey, in order to be successful, in order to see results, you have to be consistent. I think that's like the #1 rule. That algorithm is so important. That algorithm really pushes your videos out when it sees that you're constantly making videos that people want to watch. So I actually didn't realize until I was putting together this video, but on January 21st, 2022, I actually hit the 1K subscriber requirement. And then on January 21st, 2023, this year, I hit 10K subscribers. That was actually pretty dope to me. I was super hyped. I got 10K subscribers. I'm about to be a real influencer. So I actually had 10K subscribers on YouTube before I even got monetized, which is actually crazy because although I wasn't that consistent on YouTube, I was still consistent on TikTok, posting videos, still going viral, still getting people to subscribe, still doing what I needed to do in order to get where I wanted to be. So January 20th, 2023 was the actual day that I finally hit 4,004 watch hours. But I finally hit the YouTube requirements to be monetized. So when I actually started taking YouTube serious, it took me a good year to become monetized. Now, I already know my story is not like other people's story. And I know that people actually have stories where they're not consistent, but it's the watch hours still happen for them. My story was totally different. The watch hours did not happen for me until a whole entire year later. But, I was still grateful. A huge accomplishment, and, I was just happy. I was hyped. So after I got monetized, I made my first video February 1st, and then the next video was about February 4th, and then the next was the 20th of February, and then after that was the 24th. So I made a total of 6 videos, 4 in February, and then 2 in March. So I was getting paid, I believe, for 36 videos in total. So hopefully I ain't bore y'all too much and you finally made it through to get to the good part. So YouTube has a threshold that you have to reach before you actually get paid. And that's just a $100 threshold. It can be done. YouTubers do it every day. Do it every month. So again, I got monetized January 23rd, 2023 and didn't receive my first paycheck until April 21st, 2023. I didn't actually hit my $100 threshold until March, and then of course from January, February, March, I got paid in April. So January I got paid a total of $14.96, but granted, because I got monetized on the 23rd, it was only like a week left in January, so I only got paid for about a week. So that's why that amount was that amount. Then in February we had a huge jump and I got paid $67.11. And then in March I got paid $66.78. So in total, my very first YouTube check was $148.85. And what's actually pretty crazy to me was that the video that was actually making the most money was my how to make your own Nike shirt. And I posted that video way back on July 20th, 2022. So like many people say in these videos, that just truly goes to show you that all it can take is that one video that goes viral that people will actually want to watch, that can actually make some decent money for your channel. And that video is actually my highest earning video to date. So there we have it. If you're trying to become a YouTuber, yo, consistency is what will drive you. You gotta remain consistent through this whole process. And I done came across a YouTuber just recently that started last year and within a year has hit 500,000 subscribers. And I might even go ahead and tag the YouTuber. Consistency in the content that you bring out matters. Consistency, content, and quality. But yo, I appreciate y'all for watching the video. I'm pretty transparent on my page, so if you want more videos like just going through like the analytics and just going through just different stuff that pertains to YouTube, yo, I don't mind dropping gems. I don't mind dropping the details. Yo, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends, your family, anybody you know who's trying to become a YouTuber, anybody who you just want to send for some motivation, yo, share it with them. But yo, as always, as I say in my Cricut videos, keep applying pressure to life because life has no boundaries. Until next video, we out.